KICKASSETS. Cha-ching! What an interesting house this is. Double balcony view, my friends. Wow. Is that a first for me? Double balcony view that big? Definitely that big it is for sure. Yeah, because it's like... It's already lifted on the floor. Massive rocks in front of the house. Just in case the house wants to move. You're not going anywhere, buddy. Barbecue?
There.
Big door.
Wow.
Hi. Something he has to explain.
天然のこの岩をそのまま生かしながら岩が続いてるんですよ。
だから I was talking about the rocks outside. Now I know. Like I said, it's protecting the house. I was joking, but it's actually really there. はい。説明してください。
で、一応これお風呂使えるんですけど、ただね、ちょっと漏れるみたいです。
漏れる？
うん、水漏れする。
どこに？
いや、この下に。
だから？
要は、ただ使えるんだけど、入れないわけじゃないんですけど、じわじわって水が減るって言ってました。
ちょっとずつ減るってことですね。
ちょっとずつ減る。
だから使おうとしたら、ちょっと使って捨てればいいってこと？
うん、そう、使って捨てればいい。見たの通り、その沸かし直しの機械がついてるわけじゃないんで。
簡単に捨てられないんですか、こういうの。あ、そう、下にあるんですね。穴が開いてるんですね。Holy crap, you got your own Sentou here, folks. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is definitely the best shower room. 大きいね。うん。
そう、結構、この家なんで結構面白いなと思って。
Wow. Wow. Your own Sentou in your house. That's so cool. Have I seen you somewhere before? Nah. Oh, wow. There's your certificate that you own the Sentou. Nice. Oh, it's a closet. All right, let's go upstairs first. Oh, wow. What is this? Oh, beautiful. Nice. Old style room. With access to the balcony, I'm guessing. Oh. Toilet. Hi. Interesting tree in the back here. Oh, two staircases up to the second floor. Oh.
From there and
here. Yeah. Wow. Party time. And this is the first time I've ever seen a house with two balconies. Like on two floors.
This house is huge.
It is.
It's maybe the biggest one we've seen. It is the biggest one we've seen out of all of them.
I can't even open this freaking thing. Oh, yeah.
It's got,
開きますよ。
it's got nice aluminum.
で、これ雪見障子って言って。
Oh! Look at that, everybody! Magic time! Oh, I couldn't figure that out, huh? Oh, good thing he's doing so many, so Roberts don't get in.
もしこの木がまっすぐ立ってるんで、こう横にこう曲がってるの分かります？はい。曲げて作ったんですよ。面白いでしょ？
They built it on an angle on purpose. Interesting. これ大丈夫ですね。Just kidding. Just kidding. 面白いね。
ただやっぱりこういうね、傷んでるところありますよね。
So you gotta paint. This needs a new paint job.
But do they paint it or do they just replace that? That looks like they would just replace all of that.
これペイントする
ペンキ、
それか
ペンキそうですね。
I just like sanded off and repainted. That's what I did
落として
before.
ペンキした方がいい。
So, I mean, like, why would... It's still okay. Just, it gets rusted. Wow. これ大丈夫かなちょっと怖いですね。
ちょっと怖いですけどね。
怖い。Oh! There's also a deck over here too.
これはなんか木を切ってたみたいなんで。
Holy crap. We got, like, how many records we got today? It's like 3 levels. 3回あるね。Holy crap. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
There's 3 decks. This is insane. Holy crap.
でも
はい。
広くて使いね、大人数で来ても使える。
そうだね。Victor. Alright, let's go check the rest of the house.
So then this plaster kind of, do people just paint this?
Oh.
Basically?
これ何？ペンキ？
これはね、
壁紙？じゃない。
珪藻土っていうのなんですよね。
Weird.
塗り壁ですね。
Yeah, 塗り壁. It's painted. That's weird. It's not wallpaper.
でこの家はもうサッシもちゃんとこういうアルミのサッシに買ってるんで、さっきみたいなこう木製のサッシはないですから。
In a house like this, can these walls be removed or
I think this is kind of important.
load bearing? So maybe they can just replace it with like.
Yeah, maybe, but I might, it's quite tall. It's pretty. これ取れるかなこの壁。この壁。
壁取りたい？どういうことですか？
この壁なくして。
ああ、ここにね、柱が多分入ってると思うんですよ。
そうだね。そう、交換したいみたいに。
ああ、ちょっと難しい。
難しいよね。Nice. Big kitchen. Still in decent shape. Needs a good clean job. But I'd replace it. Wow. You outside your house. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Sorry, we bother you? No, you didn't. How you doing, man? Pretty good. Nice to meet you. Hi. Got a whole family here. You guys protecting the house, are ya? 守ってるよ。ありがとうございます。お疲れ様。Good bear.
で、こっち側の
はい。Oh, these are all new. はい。
そこの畑はお隣の畑ね。
はい。そうだね。
そういう感じだと思うんですね。
はい。The lines right there, obvious by the rocks. そうだね。
Okay, so it's not including that garden.
No.
I see.
The cute little birds over there.
That's part of the house now.
Yeah, there's a house there. Just, sorry.
This house has like 5 bedrooms. So, they have a lot of rooms. Maybe it had more than.
It's got 2 upstairs. It's got a mini TV here.
And 2
Oh.
downstairs. Okay, so
Wow.
あの
So cool.
ね、こういう
面白いね。It looks like it was a really expensive house at one time.
very large.
Yeah. And here's our other balcony. これ落ちても平気。I said it's okay if I fall here because it's not as high as up there. I don't want to fall through too.
多分
はい
隣との境はこの、その石積みのラインだと思うんですけど、まだちょっとまだ石とか教会の石を見てないんでわかんないんですけど、多分そんな感じだと思います。
なるほど。
で、あとこっちもね、
はい
ちょっとこう部分的に腐食してるところが
はい。
あるんで、
お、弱いところあるんですね。
そのあたりとかもね、やっぱりちょっともう腐ってますね、木がね。
はい、
うん
そうだね。危ない。
危ないですね。
危ない。危ない。怖い。死にたくない。
What are the heating and cooling bills like in Japan or this area. I don't know if it differs by region.
Not so much. It could be anywhere between $100 to $500, depending how many. If you use like I use 5 hair cones at the same time, so my bill's $400 or $500 in the winter to keep my cats warm.
In the winter,
Yeah.
$500 US.
Well, no, maybe
トイレ
$300
も
US
こんな感
dollars.
じでね。
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so
はい
あ、トイレも見ましたか。
はい、まだ見てない。ちょっと待って。すごいね。
これはね、船底天井って言うんですよ。船の底みたいな天井。
そうだね。
うん。
面白い。これ、魚の部屋。
そうそう、いや、まずは釣りやるんでね。
うん。すごいね。面白いね。一人住んでるんですか？家族？
いや、ご夫婦で、
あ、夫婦。
うん、来てました。今日ね、午前中帰ったんですけどね。
はい？
今日午前中までいたんですよ。
ああ、そういうまだ住んでるってことですね。
うん。水平ではないと思いますのでね。
うん。
and is somebody still using this home? Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a fisherman.
Yeah.
ちょっと上から閉めていきますから。
はい。
ちょっと待ってください
Will she buy this house? Or will she have a barbecue instead? Or maybe both?
Still a secret.
Okay. She doesn't know that. Well, that's the best bathroom so far. One more time? Yeah, one more time. You said one more time? Okay, one more time. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Holy crap, my voice sounds good in this bathroom. I like it already. All right. See you later.